Don't come here.
Just pause. Don't get angry. Okay.
Does it understand English?
No.
No, that's just like a little...
There he goes, he's going.
He's just little. I don't think he could really do much to us, could he?
Yes.
Yeah? Even if I punch him in that big nose? Look at
Oh,
it.
he's eating.
Yeah, he's eating.
Maybe he just likes to pay attention.
I wonder if you can see it on here.
No, don't come towards it. Look.
What's he
You see him
doing?
doing that?
Yeah, is he letting us know he's gonna kill us in 3 minutes?
Maybe.
I wish I would have parked a little closer. Hope it's not calling for a pack of moose. We're gonna get surrounded here in a minute. He looks awfully, or it looks awfully, like brave, muscular, and just like he's kind of like, what?
I wanna, let's get in the car and drive
Get a little bit closer?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh
yeah.
shit. Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, he's not coming anymore. We still have video of our death.
Oh shit. But yeah, you better go away.
Okay, we're gonna go try to pull the truck closer.